At Grain Elevator, we make natural snacks by using the power of nature to uh, turn wasted beer grains into delicious natural food so we can feed more people. We collect beer grains from local brewers all over our state, and I ferment those in sourdough, which is a very similar process to how the beer is fermented by the brewer. So we can single source those grains and bring out great flavors and really highlight the flavors that those grains were selected for initially. And what's great about that is that I've learned just how much grain is wasted by brewers every year. This is kind of mind blowing, but 1 million tons of nutritious food is produced by craft brewers every year. And most of that gets sent to farms for cattle feed or compost, which, that's great. It's recycled, but it's also emitting more greenhouse gas emissions and using more resources. So I've discovered this way to turn it directly into great food, and my crackers are a proof of that concept. Our target audience it's at the intersection between people who love specialty foods and craft beer, two markets that have been growing like crazy for the past 10 years. And so we've been producing small batches for the last couple of years and interacting directly with our audience at farmers markets and beer festivals, and really evolving the product, listening to feedback, and perfecting the craft of that. And so when we've been able to take that out to some wholesale buyers now, they've been really excited about, number one, the flavor, but also the great merchandising opportunities of connecting with the beer brands that our crackers are made from. We're still very small. We're producing small batches in-house, and we're looking to do a seed round right now and increase production, and we're looking for a co-manufacturer so that we can start shipping regionally and grow our business from there. The biggest surprise, and I'll go back to when I first started my business itself, which I started out as a sourdough bread baker. And so basically, I'm still a sourdough baker, and I sell flour, water, and salt to people. And what blows my mind is that just something as simple as the shape that you put it in affects people's emotional attachment to it, and then ultimately whether they buy or not. And so just simple changes to that product can elicit great fond memories, or it can be disappointing. And so that has taught me that every little thing counts so much. And so building a business and a brand and a message to put out there to people, I've just learned that everything counts, and never stop getting better, keep listening and keep evolving, and give people what they want. Like I said, we're looking for a seed round to get us to regional distribution, and we're looking to raise about $200,000 and bring on some angel investors for that. But ultimately, I'm looking for a partnership with a large independent brewer, someone that really sees our vision of reclaiming those grains and turning it into food, stop wasting the food that they're putting on the table right now, and someone who is ready to grow regionally and then eventually take this nationally and conquer the world. You should invest in me because I've been in the trenches building this business for several years now, listening to my customers, and I've got a background in user experience design, which is designing products to make people use them, make them more functional and pleasing to them to use. And so I've brought that into the food world, and that's how my cracker has developed to the point it's at now, and how I see the never-ending challenge of listening to my customers and developing my product and the way I get my product to people and how it makes them feel and how making a product that can help save the world and taste delicious and always be there for you when you need a meal or a snack is my never-ending mission. And I'm on this journey, and I think you should get on board with me and take it with me.